Coming to use of Boolean operators. Boolean operators are the words like and or not, and these are always used in uppercase letters. And is used when you want to find two words and you want both the terms to be present in the same article or in the title. Or is used when you want to use either one of the terms, and not when you want to remove one of the word. When you do want to find that word in a particular article, you can use not. I'll explain you with the example. Let's take an example of remineralization agents in enamel and dentin. Think that you want to find remineralization agents, and so you want that word remineralization and enamel or dent. You want to find the article related to remineralization in enamel or dentin. So you want this word and also enamel or dentin. So this is how you use the Boolean operators here. So here we can see remineralization in enamel, dentin. You can find both the words. So think that you want to find remineralization only in enamel. You don't want dentin. So you can always use a Boolean operator that is not. So you will find remineralization only in enamel and not dentin. So you can find your remineralization only in the enamel. There is no dentin here. So you want to eliminate something, you should always use the word not. That is the Boolean operator. Next operation being the use of search tag. Think that you want to find that remineralization in the title itself. You can use the search tag that is TI. I'll show you how to do that. Let's go here. So you add the search tag. So from first result to last result, you will find this remineralization in the title, and you want to you can use the search tag TIAB if you want to find that word both in the abstract and in the title. So here you can see you can find the word remineralization from first article to last article, where you can find that word in both abstract and in the title also. Next, moving on to, we'll understand what is a mesh term searching and advanced search. So, what is this mesh word searching? PubMed maintains a vocabulary of a main term and a related term. In this vocabulary, we have something called as automatic term mapping. For example, when you're searching for GIC, all the types of GICs are listed under the word GIC. And when you're searching for something related to oral cancer, all the types of oral cancer, that is including the lip cancer, palatal cancer, and tongue cancer, are all being listed under one particular term that is called as oral cancer. So when you're doing a mesh term searching, you're searching for a concept, not the word. I'll show you how to do a mesh term searching here. Coming to the main page of PubMed, here you go down, explore. Below the explore, you have the mesh database. You want to find what is the mesh term for oral cancer. You search here. Here you can see search details. The mesh term for oral cancer is the mouth neoplasm. So if you want to find articles uh, related to oral cancer, you can use mouth neoplasm as your mesh term. So we'll add it to our search builder, and now we'll search the articles. Here you can see when we search for the mouth neoplasm, there is no chance that you will miss any article related to oral cancer or mouth neoplasm, because all the things are covered in that one mesh term called as mouth neoplasm. I'll also show you not the mesh word. We have other terms for the mouth neoplasm, that is oral cancer. When we search for oral cancer, we have almost 2 lakh articles. We'll also search for oral carcinoma. Although both the words are same, we have different varying amount of results. That is because you are searching for a word, not a concept. So it's always better to use a mesh term searching than a word searching in PubMed. We'll go to one of this article because I want to explain you what is mesh term and what is indexing. Here, when we see here, we have something called as mesh terms. And few are marked with a star mark and few are not with a star mark. The one with the star mark are the major mesh term. That is the major theme of the article. And one without the star mark are the minor theme. That is the minor mesh terms of that article. These mesh terms are given by the indexer of the document. A reader, a indexer reads through the article and he lists down the various mesh terms. He lists down which is the major mesh term and which is the minor mesh term. And based on that, you can search your articles. And it is one of the major advantage of PubMed that you have this thing called as indexing in the PubMed. I, I said you all, I'll show you something related to advanced search. Here in the main page, you can go for advanced search. Think that you want to find some article in a art particular journal. So you can do a advanced searching. Think that you want to search in an article of endodontics, a journal of International Endodontic Journal. You want to search a topic of MTA. That is all fields you go here and you add MTA. So we search here and we can see all the articles related to MTA are there from the International Endodontic Journal here. Or you want to search something related to post and core in a Journal of Conservative Dentistry. You have the articles from the Journal of Conservative Dentistry related to post and core. You can do a advanced search when you want a particular author or a particular investigator, language. You can even do a mesh term searching. Let's do a mesh term searching of mouth neoplasm in a journal of American Journal of Surgery. You will not miss out on any article related to mouth neoplasm in this American Journal of Surgery when you do a advanced search. So this was all about the use of PubMed for the literature search. So at the end of this lecture, I would like to acknowledge Dr. Ravi Shirahati sir, HOD, Department of Public Health Dentistry, for helping me with this presentation by giving me by helping me utilize his PPT and the videos and the various examples given by him in one of his YouTube videos. Thank you so much, all of you, and thank you, sir, for all the help you have given me.